shot of my antenna stand reaching 9 feet into the air. 5.8 gigahertz says that you should have your antenna as high as you can, according to Bruce at RC Models Reviews. And there we go, 9 feet up. I just got a 11 decibel panel antenna up there for now. That's it. So here's the view in the dark. We've got 2 laser beams on the ground, a red beacon, flasher, and we have different modes for here. So we just have a straight flash. The ground indicators will flash as well. And that's my antenna stand. I can't wait to get a night FPV flight in. Thanks for watching. My antenna stand for FPV. Just like that.